to school too.
How are you? Yeah, my name is Abari. What's your name?
I'm Jessica.
Yeah, I'm based in the US actually. But recently I went to Dubai. I just came back from Dubai. All these cars, I'm just managing them. Actually, I like you. And I want you to like me back. You understand? So that two of us who can.
Okay, no problem. Oh, just get my number.
Eh,
I'll call you.
all right.
Just call me then.
Okay. Because I stay somewhere around this. I'd like you to come and visit me tomorrow so that we can, Okay.
My African girl with that sweet body wine. The way you grind got me feeling alright. My African girl with that big booty wine. The way you grind got me feeling alright. Girl, you do me tinny ninny. Come make a press up your pee 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 pop 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 pop. Shawty, you do me tinny ninny. Come make a press up your pee 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 pop 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 pop. Oh yeah.
Madam, no, now we be security. Now we dey cover all this area. Now our work is done. Now wetin we break up. So normally when we
What? Full time? Emmanuel, are you telling me the
Abari.
truth?
Allah. What's up?
Abari. Yes, that is Abari. We are the one here. We are the one doing security here. Why is he running now? Oh, this boy not sabi take car walk. Now we dey here. Anything for the boys.
School too.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the new school 2. What do you call them?
New school 2, Bokoro.
New school 2 cast, ladies and gentlemen, introducing Jessica baby,
Jesse love to laugh.
Jesse love
Jesse
to
love
laugh.
to laugh.
All right, ladies and gentlemen,
Yes,
we promised you guys that 2019 is going to be wonderful. Boom, just started, man. Keep watching School 2. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to keep sharing our videos. We love you.
Yes, sir.